Tonight I am feeling for you under the state of a strange.
Hi guys! Good morning! So, this is the day na mamimit ko ulit ang aking first love after 7 years. And I'm so excited! So, samahan niyo ako sa journey na ito. And, this is it. Bye!
Welcome home from the bottom of my heart. When I got there, child, there's nothing make me feel sad. Finally, I was stepping into something brand new. Ever since I made my friends, I seem to forget my hometown. So what shall I do this time? My parents told me I always a child.
Guys, pababa na mi. No.
Hey boy, don't you know I got something going on? I've got an invitation, don't you keep me waiting all night long.
Hi guys!
I know you
So, punta tayo ng Jollibee.
pretend you won't keep me guessing if you.
Hi guys! So, waiting area na mi. Tayo ay mag-wait. So guys, ayun yung barko ko. Ay, barko ko. Ayun yung sasakyan ko ng barko. Sabi nila malaki daw. Ayan. See you Bacolod! Ito yung mga dala ko. Ayan. O, diba? Solo travel tapos ganyan agad. O, bongga. Waiting area. So later, meron akong meeting. So, habang nag-aantay, work pa rin tayo.
That's striking me. To my little answer is going on.
So guys, I'm ready to onboarding. Let's go.
As I look into the summer sky, I see trees and clouds rolling by, and I wonder if from where they are, they can see me in my daddy's car. Going home, there is nothing quite like going home. Going home, there is nothing quite like going home. What's the moon made of? I'd like to know. When the sun comes out, where does it go? I could almost.
Guys, ang laki ng barko. Grabe. kuya.
Hi!
Welcome to go.
Uy, pugi ko dyan ah.
Ay, tara. Sige.
Hello.
Shout out.
Shoutout dyan sa mga fans ni ma'am.
Yun, no? Hi naman dyan, kuya.
Hello po.
Hi, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Shoutout sa mga gusto mong shoutout.
Hi. Saan yung ano nyo, kuya? Bacolod din. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi ka naman, kuya.
Morning po, ay ba?
Hi. Okay, welcome to go. Hi. Hi guys. So, andito na tayo. Dapat naka-premium ako eh. Wala kasi yung ano.
I'll tell the whole world, top of my lungs, past, present, future. They know you're the one. Doesn't take a diamond ring to say that I do. I don't love you. I don't love
Hi guys! So, nandito na ako sa To Go and I'm so excited, no? Kasi this is my first travel vlog. At saka, ito yung pinaka-first na travel na ako lang mag-isa. Okay? So, ganito pala sa barko. First time ko kasi magbarko. Tapos,
Let's go!
so yung alis ko is 11 a.m. Tapos, yung dating ko sa Bacolod, 9 a.m. And, excited na ako makita ulit si Papa after 7 years. Grabe, no? Baga, ano, huli namin kita, 16 years old pa ako. Tapos, ngayon, memorable sa akin yung moment na to. Kasi, ay, finally, di ba? Tapos, malaki na, dalaga na, doon na pala nakita. And, Papa, I'm so excited to see you. I love you. Mwah. Grabe, napakainit. Pero ang ganda dito. Feeling ko mas maganda siya pag ano, gabi. Ayan. So, outfit check. Mag-isa na naman tayo. Saya pala magbarko. Ito yung isang barko. So, mamaya, babalikan ko kayo. I-montage ko lang yung mga keme-keme. Kasi, hanggang bukas pa ako dito. So, dito tayo sa baba. Punta tayo sa mga kainan kasi nagugutom na ako. dito daw exit. Aray, aray. Aray, aray tayo, sakit. Ayan! Punta tayo dito. Malapit na dito. So guys, nandito ulit na kami. Ayun na, palis na pala siya. Palis na yung barko. Ayan, palis na. Hindi pa kasi, hindi pa eh. Ha? Hindi pa na yung... Kasi daming tao. Hi guys! So meron akong friend. Eh! Hindi na ako solo travel. Ayan.
Kasi pag masaya kami kasama siya eh.
Oo. Ilongga, di sa mag-Ilonggo na lang tayo, no? Taga pa kaulod, manisiya.
Meron ako mag-Ilonggo.
Oo, kabalo ko yun.
Wala ka pa nito.
Taga-Tagalog, na Ilonggo tayo.
Ay guys, may Ilonggo kami pero hindi naman hindi na mo ginamba kasi mga Tagalog. Hindi ang
Gani.
mga pero okay lang, hindi namin hindi yan ah.
Ha? Hindi tayo. Ganyan tayo.
Driving in silence, a trip around the world. Our hands haven't touched in more than a month. In my head, the sirens warning me of pain.
Hi guys! Uwi na! Ready na kami! Magbaba! Ready na ba kayo? Ready na! Miss nyo lang sa
From a window on my cell floor, I can hear the traffic board of the city lights.
Ayun guys! Nakababa na mi. Simimit ko na yung aking father. Pa, I'm coming!
I get lost in the crowd at times among pretty girls and pretty lights and telephones. My empty days and lonely nights and all the while just so tired of being alone. Yes, I love you, Father, and I'm so proud to be your son. I don't care if you're cool or not, you always be my father.